The jaguar is considered one of the most dangerous predators in the world. It is the third largest cat species in existence. It is revered throughout North and South America. It is not afraid of water, just like the tiger. Moreover, it swims quite well. Today, let's talk about some interesting facts about the jaguar. According to some scientists, this predator has approximately 9 subspecies in the world. Its range extends from Mexico throughout Central and South America. The jaguar resembles the leopard in appearance, but is significantly larger than it. Its body length is 110,180 centimeters. The tail length is 4,575 centimeters. Adult males weigh about 6,090 kilograms. However, some individuals can weigh up to 120 kilograms. In known cases, one jaguar was recorded to weigh 158 kilograms. This also became a record within its family. Females weigh about 20% less than males. This predator has a large and robust head. Its ears are small and round. Its jaw is very strong. Its body is also very muscular. Its limbs are short. The pattern on its body gives it a predatory appearance. It is naturally proud. Its will is very strong. Its claws are strong and powerful, but not very long. The attack of the jaguar is quite swift, so much so that the victim has no chance to escape. It lives a solitary life. It is an amazing solitary ranger. Like all predatory cats, they are territorial animals. The territory of a jaguar is about 2,550 square kilometers. Some males can reach up to 100 square kilometers. This depends on the habitat environment and the number of prey. They prefer to live in the humid Amazon region. That forest is both dangerous and mysterious. It is an ideal habitat for jaguars that enjoy swimming. Moreover, they are also good at climbing trees. So there are basically no natural enemies there.